Hello friends, welcome back to my famous educational channel to watch more creative videos on Node.js and MongoDB. Please listen carefully. Get method retrieves existing resource, as we have seen many videos, and post method creates read-write operations. So our today's video is really simple as REST API using Node.js and MongoDB. So first of all, let us go through the program in detail. First of all, we will go through database part, roots part. In that, user root in the sense I need to access the resource, so I need the root. So get method is used to get the existing resource, and post method is used to insert the data in the database using user. Okay, so that is the request body in this part if the data has been added successfully. And root, module.root in the sense I need to move this file from one location to another. That's establishing the root. So, and next part is our views part. I have used EJS template. This is EJS template. Yes, I have struggled a lot for these errors of EJS template. Now we will move on to main JavaScript file, that is server.js file. Loading the drivers, Express lightweight framework, creating instance of Express, port number, program running on server running on port number 3000, MongoDB using, I have done connection to MongoDB database using Mongoose, and localhost project is the name of database. These are due to some warnings are coming, and connected to MongoDB database, and then Express.json to redirect. Then view engine, I have used EJS template, so need to load the engine. Then use routes to different roots. Then port should listen to server 3000. That's all. Now we will execute the program. npm start. Yes, server has been started. Now, yes, form has been displayed. Now first name Virat Kohli, email ID virat@gmail.com, mobile number 2+246, age, then T2. We will verify whether it has been saved or not. Ankush, email ID ankush@gmail.com, mobile number 890789067, 2+24+672, age 41. Two record has been saved in the database, so we will go through the database part. Yes, Ankush has been saved and Virat Kohli has been saved. So I have successfully done with REST API using Node.js and MongoDB. A very simple example. If you like this video, please share, please share me in comments, subscribe to my channel. I will be back with more interesting videos on Node.js and MongoDB, session handling, shopping cart if possible, and after some day or month I will be shifting to React.js. Thanks for watching.